Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Lambrini. Some of you might know me as my Instagram handle, Lamb Studio. And I just did a massive order of Just Resin. It's sitting right behind me. I've been so excited to open these. I've had these boxes for about a week and I've been waiting to get my microphone in the mail so I can film this, and I can't wait to get started. I've shopped with Just Resin for the past 4 years for all of my resin products, and I really love their products and I like using them. I think they're really top quality, and I just want to show you guys what I get from them. Okay, first things first, I'm opening the small box. Have a look. Alright, this one has leaked a little bit. Let me clean that. This is called Artcast by Just Resin, and this is a really low viscosity, ultra clear, high strength, scratch resistant resin that is used for molding. So you can do resin jewelry, you can do those flood river tables and keychains, anything that can be put in a mold. This is the kind of resin that you use, and it's actually a 5:1 ratio, which I've never used before. Loving the packaging. This is really fun. The only bad thing about this kind of resin is that you only have a 20-minute work time. So once you mix part A and part B together, you only have 20 minutes to work with it before it starts to set and you won't be able to use it anymore. Next thing in the box, I think I know what this is. Yes. This is my diamond coat resin. So diamond coat, I would say, is Just Resin's most premium kind of resin. It's a 1:1 ratio and it's really easy to use. It's much thicker than the other resins that I've used, and I find that this is like super high quality. It's really lush to use, and I kind of only preserve this kind of resin for my clear top coats because it's a really nice clear resin. So like it is in the name, it's meant to give you a diamond-like finish onto your projects, and you can use this on, you can make your own artworks, but yeah, I just really like doing clear coats with this one. And they've left a little thank you note and a little sticker. Cute. I'm so glad that I opened box 1 first, because this means that this is the fun box. I'll start with this. So I got some pigment paste, Just Resin pigment paste. I swear by them. The only negative thing is that I can never ever keep them clean because I am just a super messy worker. So I always get drips down the side and then I just have it just goes everywhere, and I'll show you an example. So I got some of their new colours, and I got their green ice, I got seafoam green. Oh, I'm so excited to use these. I got their bright gold. This is a powder, and their interference green powder as well. Also got some pipettes. I like saying that word, pipettes, because I saw that these are really handy when using alcohol inks, and I've just started using alcohol inks and I've gotten really into it, so I wanted to give them a go and see how they work. So I got 15 litres, so there's 2 of this size, which is part A. This is the part B. So you get 2 of part A and 1 of part B because it's a 2-to-1 ratio. And this is literally what I've been waiting for all week. They're so small. This is their new Super Chameleon colours, and they sold out so quickly, so I was able to grab the yellow, green, gold. Let's see. That is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. And the other one that I was able to grab was the red, orange, green. Whoa! Okay, this one's really cool. This one's got like super... Before I go, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll just let you know that you can use a 10% discount on the code LAMBStudio if you like when you order through Just Resin. I'll put all the links down below as well as the discount code. I hope you guys liked that video, and hopefully I can film some more for you guys soon. Cheerio. Thanks, love. Goodbye.